Hello friends, welcome back on the channel. So today we bring another educational interesting video for you which is related to the use of artificial intelligence technology in the area of procurement. How the AI technology is impacting the procurement activities and different big corporate organizations they are starting using this AI technology in their procurement activities. So we will try to bring highlight on this issue. Let's see. As you know that AI is a coming technology and you cannot escape or just say that we will not engage with the AI. So it is growing so rapidly that almost every area of the working of mankind it will impact. So some new area of job opportunities will open by this and it can eliminate some existing job opportunities. So how the procurement activities will be impacted or will be done using the AI technology, I will try to show here in this video. Let me have a look over what is the artificial intelligence in procurement. So procurement is evolving from a transactional function to a strategic enabler. By using the best procurement technique, you can save your cost, you can save your environment. Instead of when a salesperson act, so he has to put his best effort to increase the profit. But a procurement manager, if he reduces the cost, then it is a direct addition to the profit. So this is also a strategic enabler, and AI playing a central role in this transformation. How this presentation explores that AI is revolutionizing the procurement processes. It is transforming your decision sourcing, decision making, and efficiency. And what is AI? AI is a simulation of human intelligence by machines. Whatever the job activities you are expecting to be done by the human, so AI can do those things. It enables systems to learn from data, identify patterns from their data, and make decisions based upon that data. And it includes machine learning, natural language processing, robotics, and predictive analysis. How it is involved in the procurement? Since the complexity is increasing of the global sale and supply chain, so in the global supply chain complexity, AI can provide you the best tool. It is a need of the real-time decision making, and since there is a rising pressure to cut cost and improve supply relationship and improve profit also, so with the help of AI technology, it is possible. It can process huge data, explosion of data that requires intelligent analysis. Whatever data you have, so you just give to the AI and it will do different type of analysis. So you will have better insights. You can do a better spend analysis using AI technology, better supplier risk management, monitor risk indicator automatically, which supplier is having which type of rating, where he has performed and what level he has defaulted. So you can know contract analysis. You can generate contract, do contract monitoring, forecasting, demand planning, and AI chatbots. So these are some of the points. You can see that it is directly involved in the procurement activities, and you can use them. You can save your cost. You can do a better data analysis and in a better way. These are the some of the AI applications. Just see: predictive analysis, task automation, intelligent sourcing, cost saving, spending patterns, spending analysis, chart, risk mitigation, like that. Just have a look. What are the benefit of AI in procurement? It increases the speed of your procurement activities, being automation. It increases accuracy and risk reduction. It is cost efficient. It does the work in a cost efficient manner as compared to the traditional manner. It has a data driven decisions. So whatever analysis or insights you are having from data, those are accurate, and there is less chance of error, and it builds strong supplier relation management because everything sync is in sync with the supply chain. And continuous learning and improvement for the procurement manager. So these are some of the benefits. Just have a look here. You can see uh, how you can get benefit from AI technology. Real-time insights from the where the consignment it is, which supplier is making payment, which is not, which is supplying in time, and what is your internal data insights, where is your purchase order delivered or not. So these many things are there. Just take the example of Amazon delivery and tracking. So these all being done using the AI. There are some of the examples. Big corporate like IBM, they are using their bots or AI, they are using their AI named Watson, and another is using Jagger, and you just see Amazon businesses. So big corporates have already started using the AI technology, and they are saving their cost, and their efficiency is improved, speed is improved. So these are the real world examples. So the AI technology has already taken place in the procurement activities, and in future it will increase. So timely adoption to the technology will better for all businesses. Certainly, there are some challenges in the AI, that is data privacy, dependency on data, resistance to change in organizations, need to skill workforce, ethical concerns. Some of the challenges in consideration are there, definitely. Future outlook, you can integrate the AI with blockchain and IoT. It will more increase the efficiency level and trust and transparency in the chain. Rise of autonomous sourcing systems, predictive measurement using real-time data, hyper-personalized supplier engagement powered by AI and chatbot also. So, present what are the concern and what may be the future outlook? Just have an idea here. AI in procurement is not just a trend; it is a transformation. Organizations that embrace it really will gain agility, efficiency, and strategic advantages. So, definitely AI will help you. Just see, are you ready to transform your procurement with AI and understand AI and get benefit of this? So I have given a generic idea about how we can use the AI technology in the procurement activities and how the businesses can get benefit and how the speed of the procurement can improve. So kindly do mention in comment box if you are interested for a deep analysis of the AI technology procurement. We will try to make video on that. Thank you for watching. Have a nice time.